Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily log out your Telegram account from any device remotely. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Telegram app. On Telegram, get into Settings, where you can easily find that devices feature. Just get into it, and right here it shows you all your login sessions. That is current one on my iPhone 11, and here is another one that's actually my Telegram desktop app. So maybe you got here more than one active sessions, and if you want to terminate any of them, all you have to do is right here tap on Edit, and that gives you the option of logging out from that specific device. All you have to do is just hit at that minus sign next to that session name to be logged out of your Telegram profile on that specific device. Once you did that, you can just hit on down to move on back to the settings. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Telegram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and I see you in the next one.